Hey guys, Wednesday, my dudes. Um, so it's actually 4:30 already, and what I've been doing is going through the DVDs that I brought like a couple of weeks ago. I went through them again because um, when I was first scanning them, I was scanning them for FBA, and now I basically found like almost 200 merchant fulfilled worthy DVDs. So I'm gonna list them, and besides that, I listed about 90 DVDs already, and like 40 books for Amazon FBA. They opened the gates again, so I'm gonna ship about 40 books, and that's it. I didn't pack anything for eBay or Amazon Merchant Fulfilled or nothing. That's what I've been doing so far, going through my computer, finding some more deals on Keepa again. And right now I'm gonna show you what sold on eBay. So we sold two items on my second store. One is just a game for $10, and the other one is Planet of Dinosaurs. It's the 20th anniversary edition, widescreen, and it sold for $48 plus 5 shipping. So basically, be on the lookout for those weird oldies. Those they go for decent money. Also, weird horror movies. We sold a few horror movies for a pretty good penny. So be on the lookout for those weird looking DVDs. You know, it looks super old, right? It's like everything. It's dinosaurs and spaceships and lasers and I don't know. So be on the lookout for those. So I pulled everything, and this is all the items that were sold during the night. So this is the CD I was talking about, just the DVD, and the disc is in mint condition, but it doesn't have the manual or anything. So this went for $50, this went for $10, and this is our second store. This Pokemon Meow 2 sold on Bonanza. And our main store, those are Precious Moments. Precious Moments, we got those for either 50 cents or $1 at the auction house, or I picked a bunch of them at the garage sailing. I picked like a box full of them. They're not so good. It sold for like $10-12, but they're easy to pack and ship. Small, easy to pack and ship, and add just another item to your store. This again, I can't believe it. I mean, it sat here for forever, and we start selling them like daily. $10 for this. I don't know what to do with it. What does it go to? What does it do? I don't know. $10 for this. We didn't pay much, but it was just sitting here forever. Another NASCAR card. Danny Hamlin, $12.74. That's the price he went for. It's a piece of his fire suit. I don't know if you can see it pretty well. That's cool. Starting lineup figure sold for like $12. Magic the Gathering deck sold $12 also. So far, everything goes first class or media. Nivar Star Trek spaceship Same guy bought HeroClix Fast Forces, one Superman and Batman, and one Deadpool and his friends or whatever. I think it's I'm not sure if it's 10 for 10 each, or one is 20 and one is 10. Some kind of a radio receiver. We got this at the auction house. We paid basically nothing for it, like a couple of dollars. And a set of Harry Potter books, hardcovers, and one is a softcover, paperback. We sold this for $40 and $10 shipping. So the tip is just to, whenever you go sourcing, you always find those. They're all over the place. So you just pick them up. It's $1 each, basically, $1 or $2. We paid $1 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $7 into 50. So can't go wrong. So one last thing. Battlestar Galactica. So we sold this for $40. The thing is, I sold this one for $40 also, but I shipped the wrong item. So what I did is ask the lady if she wants to buy something else instead of me instead of returning the item. So she said yes, and she paid full price. So I'm gonna ship her this and what she paid for, and basically take a hit for the item that I shipped by mistake, because she's out of the US, and returning the item, I never dealt with international returns, so I just figured I'll let her keep it. She was really excited. She loved Battlestar Galactica, so it goes to a good home. So I've been going through all the CDs again. So those are all the duds, and this one also, and all I got left is this big pile, this one, and those. So all of those are gonna be listed Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. I mean, there's like at least $500 here, at least. So instead of throwing them away or trying to lot them on eBay, which will take forever, I'll just list them on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and probably will list them tomorrow. Also, I got those 35 books. They were just sitting around that I missed them when I did the big when I shipped everything FBA for the first time in a couple of months. So I totally missed them, so I just basically created a new shipment for 34 books. That's the smallest shipment I ever had. So that's what I did, and I arranged my Merchant Fulfilled, let's say, system. I don't know how to call it. So this is it, basically, CDs and DVDs. And here I sold already most of the DVDs here I sold. Those are the new ones. The two rows are new. This all sold. There was 4 rows here, and I sold them all. So yeah, this is it. This is everything I have Merchant Fulfilled, about 1,000 items. I don't have anything else besides. I mean, I have the toys, but they're all over the place. So yeah, that's what I've been doing today. Just organizing a little bit more, and now I have those two to list. We sold 2 more Department 56 items that I listed a couple of days ago for 10 each, something like that. Also, we paid less than $1 for each unit. I didn't take it, it's in the room. So basically that's it, guys. Nothing too crazy today, just listing, just normal day at the office. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys, stay safe.